Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the Sandia Spotter machine. In this brief overview, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to properly maintain your equipment to keep it running at peak performance, and it's going to help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. Before operating the unit, a couple of things to look over. What we're going to do is we're going to look over your suction hose right here. You want to make sure that there's no holes, no cracks, it's not damaged in any way, otherwise you're going to lose suction. We're going to come down here to your quick connect. You want to make sure that the quick connect is not seized or anything like that and is not damaged. And then we're going to take a look at the pressurized water line right here. You want to make sure that that's not damaged or doesn't have any holes. Let's take a look at the handle assembly right here. You want to make sure that this is not broken in any way, and also that it extends like that and also retracts. Moving down to the hand tool, what we want to do is this is the other end of the waterline quick connect. You want to make sure that that's not seized in any way or damaged. Then we're going to take a look at the water line for the hand tool as well. You want to make sure that there's no holes and that's not broken. Right in here is the trigger. You want to make sure that the trigger itself is not damaged or broken. Take a look at your release valve right here. You want to make sure that that's not jammed up or is not jammed down. Take a look at your brass fitting right here. You want to make sure that that is not clogged. After the brass fitting, if you do not have the proper suction, take a look inside your hand tool right here for clogs. Moving right along here, we're going to take a look at the power cord here. You're going to want to unravel that and make sure that there are no frays or exposed wires. You also want to take a look at your prongs and make sure that they're not burnt, that your ground prong is there, or they're just not damaged in any way. Now let's take a peek inside the recovery tank. This is a 3-gallon recovery tank. Go ahead. First, make sure that your lid is not broken or damaged. Go ahead and unscrew it. Now inside of it is your vac fan filter. You want to make sure that that is clean and free of debris. Take a look inside the recovery tank. Rinse it out after each use. It does get dirty in there. And then right here is a foam float filter. You want to make sure that that's not ripped or damaged or dirty as well. So let's undo the latch and the suction hose from the recovery tank to remove the recovery tank and expose the back motor and the gasket. Now check your vac motor for any wear or tear or damage, and also check your vac motor gasket to make sure that it's not damaged or it doesn't have any rips or anything like that in it. Otherwise, you're going to lose suction. Now let's take a peek inside the 3-gallon solution tank. You want to make sure that after each use you rinse out the tank just to ensure that there is no soap scum buildup or any chemical buildup that you may use. Take a look at your water lines that are in there. You want to make sure that they're not damaged or don't have any holes. Now there is a solution filter. It's a screen filter. All you have to do is unscrew it from one of the water lines. You want to make sure that this filter is clean and free of debris. Otherwise, you're not going to get adequate water flow. And that about wraps it up for this machine. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.